Do you really need a real estate agent to buy or sell a home here in Florida? With all the apps and do-it-yourself tools out there, you might think you can handle it solo, but that could end up costing you more than you think. I work right here in the Bradenton area and serve all of Southwest Florida, from Sarasota to Tampa to Fort Myers, and here's what we've seen time and time again. People who try to go it alone often leave money on the table, or they run into legal or financial headaches that they never anticipated. As your agent, I'm not just here to unlock doors or to list your home. I'm here to protect your investment. So here's what an agent can do for you. Number one, help buyers avoid overpaying and uncover hidden issues during the inspection period. Number two, help sellers market and price their homes to attract serious buyers and get those top dollar offers. Number three, negotiate terms that work in your favor, including timelines, repairs, and contingencies. Handle all the paperwork, the deadlines, the legal language that can easily derail a deal. Number five, connect you with trusted professionals. We have lenders, home inspectors, contractors, and title attorneys. In Florida, where the market changes quickly and every neighborhood is different, having a local expert on your side matters more than ever. So if you're asking yourself, do I need a real estate agent? The better question is, do I want a professional guiding one of the biggest financial moves of my life? Let's talk. If you're planning to buy or sell in Bradenton or anywhere in Southwest Florida, we'll guide you from start to sold. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights.